Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, my name is Nima Nambe and today we are making this special tombrown. This is date and Tigernuts mixed tombrown. I'll be using 10 ingredients for this special tombrown. So yeah, let's get into preparing this. First of all, I'll start with my rice. This is 1.5 cup of rice. Okay, so I go ahead to dry fry it in my cooking pot, then pour it into a pan for it to cool down. Please guys, before we continue, give this video a thumbs up as it helps me get this video recommended. The next ingredient I'll be using is groundnut or peanuts. Yeah, I have to also dry fry this groundnut, okay, until it is brown. Please do not burn it, if not it will cause your tombrown to be bitter when it is ready. So I'll add that to my pan, yeah, and then dry it. So the next one too is millet. I'll do the same. You can use red millet as well if you don't like to use this type of millet. Yeah, it is also ready. And next is my black-eyed beans. Same, you fry it until it is brown, then you add it to your pan for I'll be putting the list of all these cereals and grains in the description box below with each measurement. Please check that out. Yeah, and this is our Tigernuts. For the Tigernuts, some of them are always dry, but I did not get the dry ones, so these ones are wet. You really have to dehydrate them by frying them, okay, before you add it. So this is 2 cups of Tigernuts. Yeah, please, if you are using the cup for the measurement, please use the same cup for all the measurements of the ingredients. I am using 3 cups of soya beans. Please, you have to pick your soya beans, okay? You have to pick the bad ones out, and also the stones in all these cereals and grains, okay? So yeah, I fried that one too nicely and add it to my pan. You really have to get this cold before you go to the grinding mill. Yes, the next is the maize. You can choose to use the yellow maize or this white maize, okay? So this is 4 cups of maize. I go ahead to fry it until it browns nicely. Guys, if you are loving this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and also turn on the bell notification. This is 4 cups of wheat. I also fried that one and then add it. For the wheat, you don't have to over fry it, so I just went ahead to add my dates. For the date, there is no need for you to fry the dates, okay? You just have to pick the seeds out and then add it to your pan. Yes, so the last ingredient I'll be adding is oats, okay? The oat has a lot of fiber in it. You don't need to fry your oats, okay? So I do add the oats because it gives this my tombrown that slimy and then very nice consistency, okay? So yeah, I also went ahead to add 3 cups of oats. This particular tombrown recipe is the healthiest and nutritious tombrown mix, and also it is vegan, okay? So yeah, I just have to let it cool down completely before sending it to the grinding mill. And when you are in the grinding mill, you have to insist that they grind it for about 3 to 5 times, okay? At least 3 times. So this is the grinding mill and I'm done grinding it, and this is how it looks like after I got home in the evening. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video and I hope you try it. You can use this as well for business if you wish. Thank you so much for watching, and then see you in my next video. Bye.